Alright guys, I'm going to try to show you how to install these Venom where they change your running lights to amber instead of white. Now at night they still come on white like they should, but since I run these amber lights, I kind of wanted them to match, so kind of show you. And this is what you get. It comes with a little wiring harness and then instructions, and that instructions will show you how to do a Sierra, which is basically the same thing. I'm just going to give you a heads up. I'm going to pause this and turn the truck off so you can hear me better. Okay, so I was going to tell you guys, don't bother with taking out the inner fender liner to get up in here, because on this side there is a washer fluid in your way, so you can't even get your hand up in there, all awkwardly anyways, because the plug's right down there. I already have this side installed, and I'm going to show you the other side how you do it. But you can kind of get your hand through this hole and get down here and reach it. I still end up needing a screwdriver to kind of push down on the tab to break it free. So let me show you the other side, because we can kind of see it a little easier. And it's just down here, and you'll see there's the little red, you'll slide that back, and it just it's like a safety switch, and then you're going to push about where the black area is between the two red things, and that will release the plug. And I don't know if I can get it on video, because I got to have my hand about right where that's at, so give me a second. Alright, so there's the plug undone. I'm going to show you, I can show you it on the new one easier, but I ended up cheating with the screwdriver and some long it's needle nose style pliers. But to show you this plug, what you're messing with down there is, so this would slide in if it's locked. It won't allow me to do it because it's not in there, but you'll pull it back like that, and the tab you're looking for is this little one right here. You're going to push down that, and that's what that's doing, is releasing that little black tab right there on the top above the white plug, and that'll allow you to unplug it. And then you're just going to slide this one in where the one came out, and then where the one came out you're going to plug back into this, and that's basically all you got to do. And this is kind of that little thing you're trying to get over, and it'll fight you this because it doesn't give you much leeway. You hardly could even feel it press. So I cheated with those little pliers and was able to grab a little bit right here as I pressed it and pulled it out, because being brand new, it's been sealed in there pretty good tight. So just wanted to show you that. So I'm going to put it in now, and I'll come back with that. Alright, so I got it in there. I feel like they could have made the wire a little longer. I feel like they kind of shorted us on the length of the wire, because it makes it kind of a tough tight bend, but it's in there, and I'm going to try to show you if I can get this little resistor out of the way so you can see the red. As I haven't slid it yet, so that's what it looks like there. I'm going to try to push it, and then now it's locked in place. So that's all you're doing, is you're pulling it out to push down and then pushing it back in once you lock it in place. And this side also has one that I already locked in place too. So, but you really don't need those. They're just there for safety in case it would come loose. So let's fire it up now, and I'll show you what she looks like. Alright, she's all amber now. I have to have it running just so the daytime running lights come on, but so now everything's all amber, and it'll all flow with my lights. So let me show you what it looks like with the blinker on. And there's your blinker. It still does the sequence, the factory sequence on your blinker, and it does stay that amber color. At nighttime, when you're running your headlights, it will turn everything back to white, and I'll go with that next to show you. So now they're back to a white color to match the headlights and the fog lights. Sorry, the camera can't keep up with the LED lights, so that's why they're flickering like that, but they're your typical solid white. But just wanted to show you guys, It's actually an easy job. Just do it from the top is the best way I can explain, because the one side has the fluid in the way, and that makes it tough to reach. Now, it is tough to get those to come loose, so it's not as easy as it looks. But just wanted to give you guys a update on what's going on next on the ZR2. Have a good day.